Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is good with you. I got this 2018 Honda Clarity. This is a hybrid, okay? Plug-in hybrid. This is the first generation, so that will be from 2017 to 2021, I want to say. But I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life in this baby. All right? Any questions? Put in the comment box. Alright, so come with me, let's get it. Let's do it. Yeah, okay, you see what's up, you see what's up. You come down, chair. This is how you open the hood. Just pull it. Bah. You see it. Alright, you come here. Here's the latch. Push it to the side. Lift the hood. You're gonna need the kickstand, by the way. Okay, you're gonna find it right here. Alright. Then, here it is. Engine oil cap. 0W20 does a type of oil, full synthetic, oil dipstick, right? Battery, fuse box, radiator cap, coolant reservoir, engine oil filter, ABS, brake fluid reservoir. All right. I see the AGR. Let's go down there. Pause. Oh, here's the windshield fluid reservoir. This is a 1.5 liter. All right. Right down here. Look at this. Put it in the comment box. Let me know what this is. Okay. Now we come down here. Everything's beautiful. All cover. Okay. Maybe because the batteries are there. The hybrid battery. It's not like Toyota that has a huge brick of batteries in the trunk. Usually when you see a cover like this in a hybrid, that means the battery is like it's flat, like you know what I'm saying. Kind of look like a tray. But anyways, over here. Back to this. The cover, we're gonna have to remove it. There's this one over here, here, and it goes around here, here, here. Yeah, pretty much. Just grab your flat screwdriver, take it off. Right. So that's one. Ah. Here's the oil filter and the oil drain plug. It tells it right here. Engine oil. That's gonna be a 17 millimeter socket. Right, 17 millimeter range or socket, whatever you have. Alright, ready? What you think about that? Look kind of clean, if you ask me. I will go another 1,000 miles. But if you have the chance to change your oil, then change the oil. I'm gonna use this tool to get to the oil filter. Oops. I want to make a hole in there. There you go. It's a little bit hard pulse. There you go. Should do it. Okay, let's do this. Hey, let me know how you like this car. Okay, put it in the comment box. Anything you wanna say about this car, put it in the comment box. Right? I wanna know. I wanna know how good, how reliable, how the performance of this car is. Right? It looks like. And I wipe where the oil filter sits. Just like that. Pop. Now this is your new oil filter. Okay. You see this gasket or O-ring, whatever you want to call it, is dry. So a little bit with the same oil, you know. I usually just do this. Boom. And if you are those freaks that pour some oil and then put it back, do it. It's okay. It's up to you though. Now just put it on. Tight it by hand. Don't use tools because you don't want to make a hole in it. Then you're gonna be sorry. You get what I'm saying, right? Tight it good. Okay. Clean after yourself. Now I think I drain most of the oil. Okay. Put your drain plug back. This one, yeah, you gotta tighten it with the 17, okay? Tight it, snug it. Alright. That should be Gucci. Right, we're good. Put the cover back. Right. Grab the funnel. It's gonna be 3.5 quarts, 0W20 full synthetic. Da-da-da-da-da. Right, I just poured 3.5. I'm gonna start it now, so the oil go through the whole system, so I can have a better reading of the oil level. This one is a hybrid though, so I'm gonna have to step on the gas pedal. Start it. Okay, I don't hear anything. It says ready though. So put it in reverse. Step on the brake, step on the gas. I'm going in reverse now. Going forward. Park it. All right, shut it down. Let's check this baby. Wipe it. So it's supposed to be here in this mark. All right. Get it in. That should do it. All right, 3.5 quarts. full synthetic, 0W20. That was pretty much it for the oil change. All right, let's start the car here. I'm gonna show you how it's running. I'm gonna show you how to do the reset the oil life. You have two ways. Through here, with this. That's a message. Not that one, the previous one though. Let's see. That one. Okay. I'm gonna come over here. Menu. Home, my bad. Going home. Settings. Vehicle. I put air in the tires, so I'm just gonna calibrate the tires so I don't see that tire message. That's good. Calibration started. We're gonna scroll down. Maintenance info. Okay. Select reset items. You can do all do items, but since it's just the oil and filter, you can do this one. But if you want to get all these messages gone, you do all do items. Okay, now reset. Maintenance information has been reset. All right, that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Clarity 2018 Honda. Holla at your boy. Axtuo, boom. Gotta clack out now. I'm out deep. Support the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Love y'all. See ya. Boom.